Do you know that there's one powerful secret to boosting your credit score that almost no one knows? Lowering your DACR is a simple way to boost your credit score. DACR, do you know what it is? DACR is a factor credit bureaus use to calculate your credit score. Now, it stands for Debt to Available Credit Ratio. This signal tells credit bureaus the percentage of available credit you're actually using. Lower is better. You want your ratio below 35%. You can calculate it like this. Total up all your debts and divide by your total combined credit limits. It's seriously that simple. And that's basically your DACR. Pretty easy, right? Hopefully yours came in well below 35%. If your ratio is above, it means credit bureaus know right now you are higher risk of falling behind on payments, debts becoming unmanageable, and even filing for bankruptcy. So how do you lower your DACR? Pay down your debts right away. I know, it sounds simple, right? But not easy to do. If paying off debts is a serious problem for you due to any of the following hardships, such as reduction in income or loss of job, personal, family, or medical hardship, and of course, just overwhelming debts, here's what you can do. Create a budget and make significant cutbacks on expenses. Negotiate directly with creditors to lower interest rates or settle for less. But keep in mind, if you do get concessions from creditors, make sure you get everything in writing. This is very, very important. Well, number 3, enroll in a debt reduction payment relief program. Hope this was helpful to you. The fact is, many people in debt do find themselves in a hole they simply can't imagine getting out of. For this reason, we've created the following brief video regarding how you can get the help you need through a proven debt reduction and restructuring program.
You're struggling to pay your credit cards and other bills, but minimum payments get you nowhere. If you're burdened by more than $10,000 of credit card debt and other bills, it feels like you're fighting for your life. Listen, you don't have to file for bankruptcy or even take out an expensive consolidation loan. There is an alternative. Debt Relief Center can offer you a way out. Go to DebtReliefCenter.org and take advantage of our free debt evaluation and savings estimate. We'll also connect you with a debt relief specialist who can consolidate multiple debts into one lower, affordable payment. A plan that could save you a lot of money and get you out of debt faster. Imagine being debt-free. This is an honorable, proven way to break free from debt so you can start enjoying life again. Visit DebtReliefCenter.org and find out how we can help put debts behind you. Join the 12 million people who have already been served by DebtReliefCenter.org. It's a name and a site you can trust. DebtReliefCenter.org.
Click the link below to get your free debt evaluation and savings estimate.